Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries across the board. From transportation to finance, healthcare to manufacturing, AI-powered tools are enhancing productivity and unlocking new possibilities. This revolution is being led by startups creating innovative AI products for consumers and businesses alike. Let's explore some of these game-changing AI tools that are disrupting their respective fields. First up is Tango.us, which is revolutionizing technical documentation and training. This clever platform allows you to instantly create step-by-step guides just by working through any process naturally. Tango will automatically capture screenshots, zoom in on relevant areas, and turn your actions into shareable how-to manuals. Imagine how much time and effort this saves compared to manually documenting procedures. Tango empowers anyone to easily codify their expertise and share it at scale. No wonder leading companies are adopting it for employee onboarding and customer support. Next, we have LandingSite.ai, which makes building professional websites a breeze, even for total beginners. This AI-powered web design platform generates high-converting copy, stunning templates, and optimized images tailored to your business. With LandingSite handling the heavy lifting, you can establish an impressive online presence in just minutes. It's the perfect tool for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to quickly get their ventures off the ground. LandingSite puts the power of an entire marketing team right at your fingertips. Moving on now comes the one and only 11 Labs, which is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with synthetic media. This startup has developed groundbreaking AI that can clone anyone's voice with just a few minutes of sample audio. The results are so realistic that 11 Labs tech has been used to create voice avatars for podcasts, videos, and even video game characters. But 11 Labs is not stopping there. They are expanding into areas like visual deepfakes and AI recognition tools to maintain ethical standards. It's a fascinating example of AI's double-edged potential for both creativity and misuse. If harnessed responsibly, 11 Labs innovations could unlock new mediums of expression. What would you do with the ability to clone your voice or face? Moving on to our next AI tool, which is Decktopus, which takes the pain out of creating presentations. This nifty AI assistant lets you instantly generate professional decks by just entering a few keywords. Decktopus will ideate slides, layouts, and visuals tailored to your topic, so you don't have to start from scratch. It even suggests relevant icons, charts, and images to visually engage your audience. With Decktopus, you can focus on your narrative while letting AI handle the design. It's the ultimate productivity booster for busy professionals who need to create decks quickly and effectively. And now let's move on to Clipchamp, the versatile online video editor, making it easier than ever to create engaging visual content. With Clipchamp's intuitive interface and range of templates, transitions, effects, and more, anyone can produce professional-grade marketing videos, social media posts, tutorials, and beyond in minutes. Consider how game-changing this is. No fancy equipment or technical skills are needed. Clipchamp's web-based editor provides a one-stop shop to take your video ideas from concept to final cut. Why struggle with complex traditional video editing software when you can let Clipchamp simplify the process? Up next is BeFunky, which brings powerful photo editing tools to your fingertips. With BeFunky's array of filters, effects, touch-up features, and more, transforming lackluster images into share-worthy visuals is a breeze. Whether you're a social media influencer looking to spruce up your feed, or a business seeking to optimize your graphic assets, BeFunky makes it easy to put some funk into your photos. Additionally, transitioning from photos to text, Smodin.io is an AI writing assistant that provides helpful suggestions to improve your writing style, grammar, and more. Whether you're crafting emails, essays, or blog posts, Smodin acts like an editor in your pocket to level up your skills. For quick fix content needs, Smodin can even auto-generate paragraphs from a few starter keywords. With so much content creation happening today, tools like Smodin that enhance writing quality and efficiency are invaluable. But it does have some limitations. For longer-form content, other AI writers like Jasper.ai and Claude offer more advanced support. Still, Smodin is an excellent entry-level option, especially for folks new to leveraging AI for writing assistance. Now let's visualize the power of AI with StockIMG, or you can call it StockIMG. This creative tool makes it stupidly simple for anyone to generate unique images for their needs. Just type in a text prompt like cute corgi sitting against the blue background, and the stock image will conjure up the perfect custom visual in seconds using its AI algorithm. Whether you need eye-catching social posts, interior design concepts, merchandise mock-ups, or any other use case, StockIMG unleashes your imagination. No visualizing, sourcing, or editing is required. With its specialized AI model, StockIMG provides creatives and businesses with an effortless way to produce quality-tailored visuals on demand. As we've seen, these AI innovations are making previously complex or time-intensive processes far more achievable. They remove barriers to content creation, allowing anyone to bring their ideas to life. But how might they impact professionals in the fields being disrupted, like graphic designers and videographers? It raises interesting questions about AI's impact on traditional skills and labor. Moving on to our next AI tool, HeyGen. This tool offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of video content creation. This platform allows anyone to generate customized talking avatars and text-to-video animations using AI. The results are scarily impressive. HeyGen can mimic human speech patterns and mannerisms with unbelievable realism. While concerning in the wrong hands, this technology could also be transformative if used ethically. Imagine utilizing HeyGen's avatars as virtual teachers, AI therapists, product demonstrators, and more. The possibilities for reinventing communication, education, and entertainment are boundless. Of course, regulating and monitoring the appropriate use of such emotionally intelligent AI will be critical as these tools evolve. But HeyGen represents massive potential to enrich and connect society if guided by sound ethics. And if you want to learn more about HeyGen and how it works, do look at the video we created for explaining all about HeyGen. Now let's shift gears to Prompt Genie, the nifty app designed specifically to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. This prompt generator tool analyzes your initial prompt and converts it into an optimized super prompt to feed back into ChatGPT. The difference is night and day. Queries generated by Prompt Genie elicit far more accurate, in-depth, and useful responses from ChatGPT. If you've ever been frustrated by ChatGPT's underperformance on certain prompts, Prompt Genie provides the solution. It's like having an expert coach fine-tune your prompts to squeeze the most value from your ChatGPT interactions. For regular ChatGPT users, Prompt Genie is an indispensable tool to boost productivity and maximize the AI's potential. It streamlines the process of refining prompts for optimal ChatGPT performance. Finally, looking at the big picture, it's clear AI is transforming how we create, communicate, and consume content. But it's important to remember that technology is what we make of it. Used responsibly, AI tools have immense potential to make our lives easier, broaden access to services, and unlock new realms of creativity. However, we must establish ethical frameworks and oversight mechanisms to ensure AI augmentation does not lead to the displacement of human ingenuity. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.